Hello everyone, welcome to the training sessions, Parse with Octoparse in 3 minutes. In this tutorial, we will walk you through amazing auto detection.
So as you proceed to interact with the web page, such as opening the web page and clicking on page elements, the entire process is defined automatically in the form of a workflow here. So for example, we click on this one and we extract the text from the element. So you can see. And down below is the settings section for the actions in the workflow here. So it will be shown after you select one action. For example, I click on go to web page. So currently, which is highlighted, and you have something setting options for this action here. You can, wherever do wait before action, you can clear cache. You can use cookie, etc. So to have a preview of the selected data, you can go to the data preview, where we can check what scrape data is like and customize the data fields. Now, let's take a look at the target page we're going to scrape into this demonstration. So this is an e-commerce web page with a list of products on it. The products are all displayed with the same layout. They have the product image here and product title and price, of course. So here's the next page button here, and which can take us to more pages with similar products. We want to scrape, title here and price, and of course the image to get the data.